What we on today is, can 20 dirt bikes take down Arm Mountain? That's the mission today. Now see how many of us is. It's like goddamn rain on the six-man roller coaster ride live. Good. Yes, sir. God damn. See? You got no glove? That's why they cost so much. They last forever. My boy is slide. Oh my God! Y'all see it, man. Y'all see, everybody done got to the top. Yeah, I got my brother out here, man. Y'all drop down there in the comments. Happy G-Day, man. Happy life take to a real one, man. For real, bro. Man, this a real one right here, bro. Y'all go follow YZ Baby, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, in here. Boy, outside, you on the 250? Oh, yeah. Is that YZ series? Yes, sir. YZ family, man. Oh, that YZ family, man. Don't get it tripped because I'm on that KTL. Don't get it tripped because it's still YZ family, baby. You know. Yes, sir. So my boy outside today. I got first time out riding with the kid. Yes, sir. I'm loving that TCR, bro. Yes, yes. Someone please call 911. Oh my God, look at this. My boy is slide. Nigga Rick. I've been posting it. Yeah, I want it. Yeah, what you gonna do? We got one. That big 250. I see how many of us is. It's like goddamn rain on the six-man roller coaster ride live. Oh shit! I got it, bro. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yeah. Shit. God damn.
You think you would have had it if you didn't step?
I looked at them goddamn rocks and I thought, oh, they're wet. And I clutched in just a little too much and put my foot down like you said.
I didn't touch my clutch.
You went straight
second, 3/4.
Straight up.
Lean forward.
You went up smooth though. Big 250. Big 250. Yes, sir. Live with the birthday guy. So tell me, how was it?
I'm tired. Thankfully, the gang was there to save my ass.
You did.
Oh, man.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see. We good?
Hey, what's up?
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
You can take the motorcycle. This guy don't move, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Uh-oh.
I told you.
Suéltale el clutch, suelta el clutch. Suéltale el clutch para que se apague.
De nuevo, I told you no.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
My bad, bro. I got the camera. I thought it been in here.
Motherfucker. Déjale que suena además.
My bad, bro. I broke that with the heel, but took it out there.
Come on, buddy.
Bro, this 3 lit out this bit today, boy. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stop playing with my boy. Your boy got it to the top. Yes, sir, Steve. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. See my boy go crazy. My boy done pop that thing up at the top. Yes, sir, Ski. That's how you get that thing to the top. Yeah. My boy said you got you one, ain't it? So you done got to the top, boy. How you feeling?
Feel good, feel good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Man, that big old rock right there every time. Yes, sir. We up here. Easy work. Good 300 done. Get in the chat right now if y'all gonna think you're gonna get to the top.
Oh, shit.
My dog done made it to the top out here first time today. How you feeling? You liking it?
Yep, feeling good.
This our first hill climb this side?
Yeah, on this side, yep.
Yeah. Oh, 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 shit. Okay. I be swearing the bike finna launch it. Hit me, bro. I don't know why. Yes, sir. Woo. That's what happened. That's called getting roosted. Your camera, y'all just got roosted with us in real life. Y'all see it, man. So you gotta see, everybody done got to the top. For real. So no man left behind. I don't care if we all slip and slide, but we here with you. You did. We finna keep it pushing on y'all. I'm tired. You did. My boy said, well, we tired. We ain't do nothing but just record on the sideline. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There you go, Daddy. There you go. Oh, shit. You good? You good? You good? You good? So that got that bike, boy. Yes, sir.
Párate, párate. Es que eso es malo que se empeloten aquí, güey. Andamos todos en pelota acá.
Real in the field, y'all.
Todos en pelota. Ay, gato. I'm sorry.
So that boy Danny a domino, ain't he?
I'm sorry, gato. He's gato.
He's a gato?
Yeah, he's gato. Cat in English?
Yeah.
Gato. ¿Estás bien? Lo siento.
You got it? I got it.
Hey, I seen him coming. I tried to hold him up.
Good.
It's too heavy.
I felt so good, and then all of a sudden.
That was funny.
That boy flip pulling up.
Yeah, that heat on that ass, ain't it? A couple of those spots got a little. I was in it myself, like. Yeah. I'm learning from y'all. I'm learning from everybody. It is. This a learning game every day.
I forgot y'all were over there. Did you? I thought you went and got school.
Yes, sir. So you see them bikes is loaded up on the back, man. Everybody getting ready to head out, you know what I'm saying? So we came. How many bikes y'all see? 15 to 20 bikes, right? Yes, sir. So we broke. See you on the next one for sure. Yes, yes. I think we came out and did good today at R, man. I don't know. It might have got us today, y'all. It might have done beat us. I don't know, man. Huh? R, man, did it defeat us? Y'all drop in the comments if you think it got us today, y'all, because I ain't gonna cap, man. That guy came out safe. I did a couple of, nothing too serious, though, you know. Got pinned by a little branch or two, but yeah, R might try to beat us up, but I think it's even. I think it's a tie. So y'all hit down there in them comments and let me know if we should do a part 2. Should we come back with the same crew or even more? Should we come back 30 deep and challenge R, man? Y'all let me know, man. Until the next one, hit that like and subscribe like always, man. We need y'all. Appreciate every one of y'all. Love. See y'all on the next.